Dude, I found a rock.
Wait. Drop it on that foot.
It sounds like it would hurt. Y'all ever seen wildlife before? Isn't this cinematic as fuck? Oh, he's drowning. Oh, he's good. Oh my god, hi. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ. That looks really scared coming at you.
Shorts gang.
Shorts gang. Hey, it's Bruce. Fuck! God! You can't even hit me from there.
Fire. Thread the needle. Thread the needle. Thread the needle. Thread the needle has been threaded. That was a terrible needle thread.
How's that bush, Bruce? Oh my god!
I don't think it worked. Are we going upstream or downstream?
We're going down, but like currently we're going up for some reason.
I see what you did there.
Fuck off! What the hell? Look at that.
Look at that triangle.
Beautiful.
It's an angle. Actually, 3 of them. This is you need some more weight in your kayak.
Sweet. Now I'm going back to land. Spiders. I'm losing my paddle. Okay, pause. Listen to this next part with your eyes closed.
Holy shit!
Holy shit! Holy shit! There's so many! Oh my god! Oh my god, Gabe! Oh my god, Gabe! Oh my god, I'm actually kind of scared. Gabe! Oh my god, help me! Oh my god! I'm so scared! They're so big! So big! Oh! Please don't jump on me, you son of a bitch. Okay. Okay. I hated everything about that. You're welcome for that. What's up, guys? Just vlogging. Going down a river. I lost all my friends. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't like...
You feel violated? Can we pick up the kayaks and get behind them?
Think we can?
You'd have to go pretty deep in the woods, but I guess.
Alright. We got halfway down and they didn't see us. We're incognito as fuck. Shit. Shit. Ryan didn't see us. We're good. Oh, me and Brian had this elaborate idea to go into the woods, drag our 2 kayaks, and we made it halfway. Then you guys caught up to us, and Bruce and Gabe looked at us. And we're like, "Be quiet." Ryan didn't see us. At least you didn't look. It was worth the 20 seconds of getting 10 bug bites. There you go. I got you your lily pad.
It's on these. Pretty nice lily pad. You ball it.
Welcome. And now I guess we can go walk down and say hi to the boys.
Like, you know how entertaining it is? Just go like...
Lily.
I don't know what I can do with it. It kind of spins a little bit. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Look at that spinach. Whoa.
Whoa.
They're turning around.
What is this?
What is this shit? There's just people moaning in the background. What the fuck took you guys so long?
This was not the plan.
Oh.
How'd this happen?
Oh, there it is. Okay. Watch. Shit. Oh no. Brian, you might have to kayak with me. We gotta go over there, bro. Oh god, don't point at things. How do I transfer weight into this one? Alright, you have my shoe. Alright. Oh shit. Okay. Good transition. Good transition.
I'm gonna try so hard and hit the first tree. What'd I say? Good shit.
That's got some good curvature.
Not bad, honestly.
Oh damn, you're close as fuck too.
Hey, that's like your second two if you can make that.
If I can make this?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I'm not gonna miss this. Hey,
Whoa.
that's like your second two. Not bad.
It came back. And mini golf, if it comes back, it don't count. Cinematic as fuck.
Oh. Right for the dick. That's getting a little dark. Just a little though, not too bad. It's getting a little windy. Fine over there though.
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Is that a rainbow?
It is.
Dang. It has zero color, but it's a rainbow. Oh, it didn't fall out.
Do I have to play it where it lies?
You don't have to play it.
Ah!
I
Fuck!
think it's safe to say my
Ow!
I'm grabbing the like branch, about to grab that instead of the disc.
Good job, Brian. I'd like to thank.
I didn't even get to see that, it was so good. Okay, there's a tree in my hair. It's fine though. Tracking! No! No!
I'm gonna say.
Completely overshot it.
I slipped. Am I okay? Is my leg okay? My leg's not been
Looks
okay
pretty
for
bad.
3 weeks.
I think it's gonna be a good day. Homie got the 9 in the glove and he don't play. Had a lot of hard times, but it's okay.
This is some bullshit. Okay.
Got a little